This is too deep, man. We're gonna die talaga. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Everyone southwest. Yo, try to zone in na. Party 2, party 2. Try to zone in. Try to zone in na. Everything everything northeast. Everything is to this chasers, man. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait, after this, after okay. Tag damage no, tag damage. Come west now, come west right away, come west right away, come west right away, right away. You kite west. Cleanses, man, cleanses. Now come southwest. Southwest now. South. Come to south. Kamis, we're gonna wrap around. Kamis. Ready? On the east now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage here. Punish this guys, man. Now come southeast. Yo, cleanses. Come south. You kite south. Kite south. Party 2. Hit their backline, man. Come south. Hit their backline, man. Okay, we hold. We're okay. Reset CD.
They're looking.
Okay, get ready. Come northeast. Face northeast, man. Face northeast. Get ready, northeast. Give me a call. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You catch this guys, man. Oh, what the fuck? They're fully running. Oh my god. Kamis. Keep going pushing east. Push east. Push east. Push east. Come up the hill now. Everyone, come up the hill fast. Come up the hill fast. Everyone, come up the hill fast. Yes, I can see. Yes, I can see. Kamis. Everyone, kamis. We kite east. Kite east. Full kite east. Full kite east. Kamis to me. Follow me. Party 2. Come follow me, man. Kamis. Yo, man. Hell up. Stabilize, man. Don't let them bomb you, man. Kamis. Gathers on the chokes, man. Always. Kamis, what's this blob on the south?
Not me, FS.
Okay, catch everyone on our path. Okay. Come northeast. Come north now. Come north now. Everyone, come north. Come north. Food up and nosy, man. Come north. Everyone, food up and nosy, man. Engage on the northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this guy. No rotters, man. I don't give a fuck. Reset CD. Full reset CD, man. Kite claps. Oh, come southwest. Oh, they're hitting Thetford. Can you check?
Nakamount pa rin.
Come.
Nasa labas sila ng
Come southeast. Follow the round, man.
Ford outside.
Come southwest. Get ready. Everyone want to push west. Engage west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After GA now. Drop damage now. Holy shit. Nice one. Now we hold up. We hold here. We hold this position. Kamis. Yes. I can see. I need 1D tanks on the watching that Limhurst, man. Yo, come southeast. Don't come too close, man. Don't come too close. Come southeast. Defensive, man. Defensive. Kamis. Everyone, kamis. Fuck, I'm lagging. Kamis. Kamis here.
Gusto mo stop ko yung boss?
No, come west. Come northwest. We're gonna hit inside, okay? Everyone, get ready. We're gonna hit inside, okay? Inside. 5, bukol now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full up damage here. This is big. So big. Oh my god. Kamis now. Everyone, kamis. Defensive now. Def. Oh my god. Kamis now. You push these guys. Party 2. Push southeast. You push southeast. Party 2. Push southeast. Yo, declamp. Comes out. What the fuck was that? Is that the bounce squad?
Yep, na bounce ka.
Oh my god, you get
Talikod.
bro, you get bombed by shitter bombs. Holy shit, come west. Party 2, okay?
Mount up, boss.
Bro, is party 2 okay, man? Okay, come west now. Sige lang. Party 2. Party 2. Second engage kayo, man. Party 2, man. We have 2 fronts, man. Man, can you catch these guys? Limpers here. Raptors, man. Now come north, come north. No, come north, come north, come north, come north, come north. Let's face them now. What's this blob on my south? What's this blob on my south? Check that.
Limers, mounted up. Naka-mount up.
Okay. Detans, go deep northwest. I want info, man. I want info. Keep walking lang, man. Keep walking.
Tedford, dismounted.
We're gonna hit their asses, ha? Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Over the wall. Never mind. Kamis. Northeast. Come northeast now. Come northeast, man. Mirror them. Yo. Look south. There's a Carleon south. Kamis fast. Everyone, kamis fast. Help the party, man. Man. Listen up. Kamis. I said kamis, man. There's a fucking Carleon wanna hit us on our backline, bro. Okay, come northwest now. Everyone. Down the hill. Everyone. Yo, can you kill this guy, man? Can you kill this guy? Kill this guy now. Punish this guy. Punish him. Nice one. Kamis a bit. Kamis fast. They have bombs on. Kamis fast. Stabilize, man. Come northwest now. Come northwest. Let's go full push this, guys. Come on. Let's go full push them. Come on.
They're running.
Come on. Fully running? What the fuck?
Run over
Who
ng
killed them, bro?
limbers.
Those limbers?
For Sterling na, I think, random.
Sige, keep walking lang muna. Keep walking lang.
I'm mounted.
What
Wala.
happened, man? Party 2, man. Yo, listen up. What's happening? What's that happening on my backline? Come on, northeast. What's that on my backline? What's happening there, bro? I need comms. I need detox watching that. What's this? Are they dismounted on the choke? Come southwest.
I'm checking. Wait. Wala.
They're fully running. Yo, mount up.
Alam mas ng limers ha, nasan sila?
Mount up.
Na-run over.
Oh, they're coming back.
over
Look.
ng Tedford.
Check. Can you check? What happened, party 2? What happened, man?
They're
And
mounted.
how many died on party 2? Oh, I thought Martlock fully ran. Thetford. Okay. Come northeast. Yes, let's go. Let's pull run them over, okay? 2 engages. We do 2 engages. Let's go. 2 fronts, man. Try to encircle them. Go on the northeast. Just walk in on them.
Paano namatay si Jan?
All here, man.
Nasipa ako sa cemetery, sabay na bomb squad tayo sa likod.
Okay, hold here. Holy shit, let's go.
Limbers.
Try to check.
80.
F. Yes. These guys are proper. Let's go.
Mga bading.
Yo, can you check, man? Come north. Everyone, come
Ading,
northeast.
no down.
Come northeast.
Come. Sabi ni
No,
Taiwan.
ang ina mo. We're gonna catch you, boy.
Panort ba sila, boy?
I don't know, putang ina mo. Catch them.
Mga ano to
I'm gonna catch.
T67.
Just try to catch them, bro. What the fuck? na, don't hesitate. Man, dito. Holy shit.
Ito, huli to.
Catch them, bro. Catch them, bro. These guys are loot, man.
Ayun
Ah,
o.
they're really fully running, bro.
Boy.
Bro. Yeah, chase them, chase them, chase them out.
Nakaperma, ito.
Chase them fucking out, bro.
Southwest. Ito yan, hindi ata.
So, run out. Let's rematch them, bro. Make them mark back. Bully them, bro. Bully all factions. Let's go.
Yeah, bro. Sinunod si Yorka.
Holy mercy. Oh my god, this is what I want to see, bro. Let's go. Anyone wanna join, man? Hindi lang come back. We're in Runner 6,
Ang
guys.
bilis niya pa pumulog ah.
Ito, walang weapon, no?
3-party, 3-way, let's go, 3-way, bro. Come zone in, everyone, zone in. 3-way, bro. Look, support. Oh my god, set up too big, holy shit. Man, try to the gear and come back. Come to, we're in Runner City. Yo, mount up, man.
Never mind, di pala.
Wait, comes out. Here, comes out.
Hindi na naman maglalaban.
Everyone comes out. Everyone comes out. On the ping. See the ping? Comes out.
They're on their way. Ewan ko, naka-mount up na.
Ayan. Straggler. Uy, nagdi-dismount na.
Oh, they're dismounting here. Come southwest, man. Come southwest, up the hill. Come southwest, everyone. Come southwest, up the hill.
Cannon collar nila.
Guys, the crown, find the crown.
Stand the corner. Yeah, they're fully catching. Come west. What's that, bro? Why are you struggling? What's happening? Come west.
They're catching. Andyan sila, naka-dismount sila. Kuneo.
Yes, come northwest.
Yun na tayo na.
Come southwest. Yes. We're gonna sandwich team. Come west. Let them catch us. Pre, unlock na. What happened, bro?
Yung trap.
Nanotrap ako sa
Come west.
Patay.
Patay ito, patay din si Saichi.
He was dead.
Utang ina, men. Ano ba
Team
mo
Dre.
na?
Team Dre din.
Killer pa naman kayo. What the fuck?
Nagpa-fight na, they're fighting na.
Gunford is killing na Clippers.
Go dismount here. I don't have healers, man. On party 1 na. What the fuck? Walk now.
Wala, ubus as in ko nito yung healer mo. Parang
Si Alec na lang. Si Redemption.
Gonna catch.
wala kami taiki na sa atin.
No. Don't catch yet.
Okay.
Bro, we're kite na. Remember, bro? Sige. Okay, get ready. We're gonna fully engage east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the back line. This is big. Holy shit. Come west pass. You come west. Full reset. Party 2, come north. Go north. I need two fronts. Go north. Come west. Get ready, ah. Get ready on the choke. Help our back line, man. Help our back line.
They're looking ah.
Okay.
Sila.
Get ready. Everything is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. Oh my god. Let's go west now. Glances. Keep going northwest.
We need heals.
Hit the front lines. Yo, you can hit them to the front line. Party 2. You can hit their own back line. Come east now. Everyone east. 5, 4, 3. After GA now. 1. Drop damage, man. Drop damage. Nice. Spanish G-Tanks. Come west. Come west. Come west, come west, come west, come west, come west, come west, part 2, come west. Come west, part 2, come west, come west. Come west, come west. Try to stop them, man. Beat down, beat down. Nice one, nice one. Hold them, hold them, hold them, hold them. Man!
Umi, pahil ako.
Ito mo, bro. Pakita. My bad.
Oh, get ready. I'm gonna fake east. I'm gonna fake east. I'm gonna fake east. Full fake. This full fake. Fake this, just fake. Go west, everyone. West.
Looking.
Oh my god, I died. What the fuck? Man, second goaler, man. Holy shit.
May breaker pa, may breaker pa.
Wala. Second caller.
Stabilize.
Ako.
I'm gonna try to heal again. I'm gonna try.
Ano, heavy mace. Sige na.
Go everyone west. Go west, man. Okay, I'm gonna meet here to help my party.
Okay.
I'm spammer.
Yes, I did.
Spamming. Come to me.
Crown Maui.
Wala sa akong party dito.
Okay na.
We're gonna catch. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, ay puta, layo, puta, balik, cancel.
May back.
West.
North. Bang squad, north, ha.
Squad
Sila
na
Enzo, ha. Sila Enzo.
West. Reset.
Under southeast bomb.
Keep going southwest.
We're gonna get sandwich, ha.
Sige, come south. Come south to me. Come south. Sige lang, come south. Come south.
This is noob trap, Maui.
Hindi.
Mount up na.
May breaker.
Oh my god. Come east now. Come east.
Try to mount up, everyone.
No, try to write them out. Write them out, man. If you're gonna get some man.
Come southeast. Mount up, go southeast. Okay, go north.
Position yourself, man. Wala
We're gonna try to wrap around on their backline. Come north.
Sa north sila Maui.
Sige.
Pwede tayong bumaba.
We're gonna go down the hill. Okay, this one.
Yo, man, go with the party, man. Go with the party.
This one. Okay, come back east.
Yeah, looking.
Ako may ingat ah. Ikaw na lang healer mo.
They're going back. They're going north.
Going back.
They're going north.
Hindi tayo makakaano dito. Hindi pa kasi divan ko.
That's Fort Pro, nananang flag nila.
Are they still looking back?
No, not anymore.
Sino fight nila? Sino pina-fight nila? Tayo pa rin.
Wala. Not finding anyone. They're not
Come
finding
northeast lang.
anything
Come northeast.
They're looking
We're not
for
gonna fight.
someone to engage.
Come northeast.
Sharing.
Come northeast.
Okay.
Tang ina na pusi yung bridge watch. What the fuck?
Kapupusi talaga yan. Gago.
Napusi yung bridge watch, gago. Nakita yung blob ng Tedford, tang ina kinabatutan. Enemy nila eh, enemy dirt nila eh.
Nakalahati
Oo nga,
na natin, free.
Lugi tayo boss kasi yung rigger nila.
Hindi tayo dito.
Lang.
Tutut. Sabihin ko, punta ka dito.
Dami na.
Mounted ba?
Bandit.
Wait. I'm gonna check.
Wala mounted. They're not gonna fight.
Bridge watch mounted.
Trapper ka.
Trapper yan.
This is Tedford to.
Dismounted ba?
No, mounted.
Bridge watch.
Zone in,
Zone in.
Alex, nasa ka na, Alex?
Stop.
Uy, dami yun.
Sakay.
Northeast na lang, boy.
Northeast.
Diyan ka ba?
Regroup guys.
Yo,
Tab
regroup man.
kami,
Try to
ah.
regroup man.
Tab
Try to regroup man. Yo. Listen up, everyone. Party 2, party 1. Try to regroup muna.
To stabilize somewhere, wag tayo mag Go next zone, Maui.
Kamlan
Do we still
tayo.
have healers?
Next zone, next zone,
Still
next
have
zone.
healers?
Wala.
Wala na. Iisa lang to, iisa lang.
Wait for the
Dalawa niya.
color next zone.
Yo, party 1 man. Can you clear guns? I can
Nahabol
heal
ng
party 2.
Tedford yung bridge ko siya.
Clear ko. Clear.
Ay,
Yung
puta,
kaya
puta.
nyo ay
Tedford full chasing bridge watch right on Stamprot.
Sige. Everyone want to join.
Saan ka na, boss ko?
OC check everyone. OC check.
Oh, si check ka?
check. 11 minutes.
10 minutes, 10 minutes, 11 minutes,
Malf
11
yun
minutes.
Bro, you can do OC now. Donation.
Losi daw. Ini 7. Stamp fruit.
They all died. I think.
Bridge watch.
Party 2 all right?
No.
Yo, party 2 all right?
Bridge watch. All right.
Hindi.
Nag-full run.
Full run.
May
May mga
ring
nakachip lang. Pero
Alright na.
2 blobs on
Wait
Tedford.
lang. Clear guns party 1. Ano yun, man? Sorry? Sige.
Stamp fruit ko.
Maximum profit died. Holy shit. Try to regear ang comeback guys. If you have... Ano yun tayo?
nabomba
Sweet,
yung
yari
Tedford
tabla.
Nabomba.
What about Yani Tatak? Yani. Right? Or...
Wide.
Oh, good sight. Mga healers naman, come back. I need healers man. Kayo kasi unang naman. What happened? That's why wala tayong stay. So what happened man?
They're coming to us.
Sinabi ko naman sa inyo men. Yung positioning nyo man, hindi na mo kayo makakasyan. Yung magandang na positioning nyo.
They're not responding,
Everyone comes spectral sa man. Everyone comes spectral sa man.
Go
Boy, zone
spectral
in,
sound.
boy.
Ingat sa Kamlan pre ah.
Are they chasing? Are they still chasing man?
Yep.
Oh, they wanna fight real bad bro.
they want to win.
Sige.
Almost okay na sana man. Namatay lang ako. Wala kasing mini ko. Sayang yun man. They all got fake man. Sayang.
Dalawang main.
They all got fake. What the fuck? Like legit, they all got fake. Everyone engaged eh.
Tapos si ano.
Everyone engaged bro. Sayang. Okay na
Like,
yun. Holy shit. Ayun, nawala na ako sa screen doon. Nawala na ako sa screen. Do I have a fake clamper on now? Okay, sige. Okay, sige. You're using soldier helmet naman, di ba bro? Or cleric?
Sino yung red? Who's red? Red chaser? That you bro?
yung nandoon, solin ka na siguro malat.
Lumalag bro?
Then
Or
they're
ano ka?
gonna wait ata, they're gonna wait.
Grabe, hindi yan
Pag
pre.
pinag-
Where is
Yeah,
my na bro?
Pag may nakitang ano yan, ikakat nila yan bro. Ayun o, tingnan mo nagdi-dismount nga oh.
Red. Wag mo nang masyadong umano.
Hindi.
Wag mo na
Don't
iyan.
advance.
Bro, I mean, where are you guys at man? Asan na kayo man?
Spectral
Saddles,
sound.
don't are back man.
Di tayo naka-flat, di tayo.
Holy. Oh my god! I forgot. Holy shit! It's
Uncle
been so
Sand
long
on,
kasi.
on
Dalhin
our way
namin
to
sa
ano,
Spectral
on our way to Spectral Sam.
Sige mo lang.
Bad trip.
Okay lang ina. Party 1, yo. Disregard ang combat.
Baliktad yung talon.
Wala yung side key. Wala yung side key.
Wala na ako ng fallen man. Anyone can change to fallen bro.
Wala ka ba talaga fallen na rin yun? Halo po,
Halo
Kaya na, Seichi.
Halo
Halo
po.
full.
Alak.
Di ba sabi mo, to may
Sabi ko fallen siya.
Hindi,
The
hindi.
redemption si Taku.
Good engages daw, good engages. Sayang lang talaga. Wala na akong hilo doon man. Kung na-sustain yun.
Hindi na
Ang ganda
nag-cheat
nun
yung
pre.
ano. Hindi na nag-cheat.
Ang ganda nun men. Wipeout yun pre. Lahat sila na gano'n sa akin. Nag-engage sa akin men. Sayang.
I'm going spectral sa putang ay wait lang going ano. Hold lang muna, hold nyo na lang din.
Saka lang, casing.
Sa atin.
Casing.
Aarbak tumog na ako. Takin na naihihi ako eh.
Huwag na, hindi
Hindi
ko
ka na.
lapit ang
Na, doon.
Kung mamatay ka, pamatay.
Hintayin yung wait for the caller to tell kung kailan ka iihi.
Okay, Ryoshi guys. Yung mga ano, hindi ka na-
Bro, Ryoshi na, Ryoshi.
Double Oshi, double Oshi, double Oshi.
Full donate, full donate, full donate.
Zonin na. Huwag nyo na wait dito. Wag nyo.
Kuya, kuya.
Zonin na, huwag nyo na wait yan. Para mas mabilis. Then, regroup tayo sa ano. Regroup to northeast.
Bro,
northeast.
listen up. Guys, listen up ha, men. Guys, listen up. Especially for
Northeast. Let's wait for them to northeast.
especially if they're not data. Bro, don't check.
Regroup to northeast, guys.
On the way, man. On the way.
OP3. Let's go. Wait, OP3.
Tama, OP3. Ako'y naiihi talaga.
Tapos na-engage dyan si Mami sa OP3. Yun ang malupit.
Araw ko po. Maawa naman kayo. Wala na ako tira.
Still chasing.
Ganda-ganda ng loots ko dito. 6.2
Man, can anyone change to a fallen? No?
Fallen ka nga kanina, si Drake.
Si Drix. Ay, oo, si Drix. Si Drix ang fallen kanina. Ganda. Ayun, naka 6.1. Teka lang, takin na. Iihi ako.
Yo, party 2 is broken up by the way, guys. Broken up. Party 2 broken up. Man, try to protect Maui ba lang na? Ano to?
I'm going yata
Maui
sila
dead?
OP1. Yeah, they're going to OP1. They're gonna capture OP1. Or at least they're gonna hang out there.
They're waiting na.
They're waiting.
Manap lang sila ng position. They wanna go for a choke fight, boss Connie.
Black chair, pre. Deadford.
E4.
What the fuck? T4 black?
Yep, E4.
Sayang yung kanina talaga. Putang ina. Pag nakita mo yung good review mamaya. Sorry, putang ina man. Lahat na bait. Gago. Putang ina. Full ingredient mo sana yun. No? Sayang. Alex.
Malapit na ba kayo, boss Connie?
On the way. Third floor.
Yeah.
Andiyan ka na, Alex?
Ako dito na ako.
Laway natin yung kalaban namin.
Akala yung color yung vlog na lumabas.
Bakit? What happened? Ano ka namatay, Alex?
Yung boots?
Ang talim.
Oh, pakarap. Nadukot ako sa likod. Sa backline na ako.
Nakimat.
Ayun na.
Ako yung nalot.
Sino pang kulang? Babalik mo ba sila?
John, how many healers do I still have now? 2 healers only? Bro, we won't survive.
OC.
What about Drix? What about Drix? Wala na, hindi na rin.
Anymore.
Asa
Hello,
ka?
So I'm gonna kick some DPS man. I'm gonna kick some DPS. So I need my healers apart man.
Tukan.
3 plus. Ayan.
Where's Drix man? Come join party man.
Ilan na kayo?
Do we still have party 2 man?
Sa ano yun, sa FSL. Sige, mas.
Wala man, si Drix is offline bro. 7 minutes ago. I don't have healer on party 1 man. I need okay. I don't have fallen in party 2. Fight up, no fallen, ouch.
They have T9, what the fuck?
Of course, this is their content.
Ano, Jade?
They're here.
Pero walking on to us.
Walking. Mounted.
Everyone come from your camp, everyone. That is mounted. Bro, don't let them, hold the choke. He ducks. They also man. They're going southeast.
I just wanted to on your
Ah,
side.
over the wall kayo,
Come northeast, come inside first, come inside, everyone come inside.
They're still mounted.
And spread. I need my brawl party on the northeast man. Hold northeast, hold the northeast man. Go
Okay,
outside, hold northeast.
dismounted.
Go outside, hold northeast.
They're dismounted southeast.
Sige lang man. Just hold them man. Hold them on the choke. Sige lang. Bounce ka them.
Holy fucking air ball.
Fight.
Are they gonna go?
It's okay. Ready. Northeast. Whether it's out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap here. And then come back. Full defensive. Man, careful party 2 man. Careful party 2.
Southwest.
Just hold man. Just hold. Oh my god! What the fuck? Patay na naman kayo man. Okay, granada on me. Patay this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Punish this guy. You punish him man. Come north. Full defensive. Defensive man. Okay. Full reset.
Okay na, okay
Full reset. We're gonna engage southwest man. They're looking southwest. Everyone, look southwest. Ditang man, try to hold them man.
Careful sa
Go northeast man. Our EPS, go northeast. Tangina, patay na yung left first man. Just hold there. Just hold there man.
They're looking.
They're looking.
Just hold there. Come southeast.
Looking west.
I'm gonna fake. You speak.
Defensive.
Come northeast. Everyone. Push southwest. Broad party. Try to clap southwest. Full clap southwest. Second engage southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on them. Target ready, everyone. Party one. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, kamis. Good engage though. Kamis, man. Help the backline. Hold them. Hold them, man. Full reset.
Bam.
Full reset.
Defensive.
Defensive lang. Demons team, man.